Next part of the syllabus for level 1s will be a small rope-to-rope transfer. So we'll be transferring from one system to another system. Now, whenever we're on ropes, biggest rule of rope access is 2 points of contact. Whilst we're doing rope-to-rope transfers, we now have to keep 4 points. So we have to have 2 points in each direction, 2 on our original set, and then 2 to the new set. Now, before we start climbing up the ropes, what we need to make sure is we have access to the new set of ropes. Now, 2 ways of doing so. Either tie both sets of ropes together at the bottom so that you can create one loop, pull the loop up to access the second set, or quite easily just attach the new set of ropes to a carabiner on the side of your harness. And that way you have access to them before you start your next part of the manoeuvre. So we're going to climb up, get ourselves in position. Now once we get to the desired height, first thing that we do before we even consider the new set of ropes is we must change from our chest crawl into our descending device. So chest crawl is only for climbing up ropes. It's not an ideal device for using for descending. So what we'll do first is our changeover. So descender goes on underneath the rope on the chest crawl. Take out the slack. Lock the handle of your descender. Back up down to your shoulder. Chest crawl slightly above. Step up and out. Close the chest crawl once we're finished. Remove the hand jammer. And now we're ready for the transfer manoeuvre. We're now in descender and in our backup device. So we'll get the new set of ropes, take any twists out, and I'm going to disconnect them from the side of the harness. Now the first thing that we attach to the ropes, no matter what manoeuvre we're doing, is always a backup device first. So backup device to one of our new ropes. Close the carabiner as soon as it's attached. And then we're going to turn our body around so our head is facing in the direction that we're travelling. Rope goes into the chest crawl. Now as it's a tooth device, we can't leave slack in it. So movement of the chest crawl, 1 with the backup. So now we have our 4 points. 2 in the direction of travel and 2 from the original set of ropes. So I'm going to put a little bit more tension in the chest crawl, hand over hand, not to the point it's getting too physical, and then nice and slowly we're going to descend off the original set. So always remember, hand on the rope when you descend if our hand is not on the handle, and bring the back up with us. Don't let the back up get too tight. And we just need to descend continually until we're fully vertical on the new set of ropes. Whilst we're still in a transfer, we must maintain 4 points of contact. We cannot take points off mid-transfer. Once we're fully vertical on the new set, we have slack on the original ropes, no tension in the descender, no tension in the backup device. Now I can remove my points. So descender to be removed first, and then we remove the backup device. Once we let the ropes go, just make sure no one's in the way that we can hit with the ropes. Now I've completed the transfer. I'm now transferred onto the new set. So I'm going to finish the manoeuvre by going into my descent device to get to the floor. Again, descender goes on the rope underneath the chest crawl. Drop the handle. Bring the hand jammer back out. Attach it to the rope above the chest crawl. And then just step out of your ascending device. Hand jammer is only for climbing, so I don't need to have that attached. And then we descend all the way to the floor.